War ready. You got shooters. I got shooters. We got money. Let's do what the mother niggas can't do though. Mastermind. Nigga got 1,000 guns, nigga. And if money is power, nigga, I got millions of power, nigga. Fuck with me, nigga. 17, now we're charging niggas 17. Ryan Clean, youngest nigga in the Medellin. Bomber Green in that thing in the middle lane. Did some things for my niggas which I can't explain. Versace slippers, 20 chains, bitch, I'm Dana Dane. Put a patch over your eye, fuck with my petty chains. Fuck what you heard for that bird, I'm a dirty nigga. Lay the rest by the one you thought was working with you. War ready, the gang just wanna take my life. War ready, pussy boy, we all could die tonight. War ready, fast casual but a law. War ready, gas mask when them chokes talk.
You might have heard of me, my name is Kratos, invading Atlanta, slaying. Been waiting for someone to pose a challenge, I'm salivating. The greatest decapitating, my enemies activating and alternating between my chains, another agitating, degrading, grading, debating, waiting. Heart is palpitating, exhilarating, facilitating, hate is simulating. But how did it get this way? The story's the titillating, and I don't have the time to be stating every single slang. But let me catch you up to the time so you know why I'm so angry and haunted by my crimes was to die. But I made a deal with the God and he saved my life, and that was the beginning of pain and strife. And my wife murdered her, and my daughter too, tricked the murderer, became an executioner of guys that it occurred under. I still see the faces, I'm haunted by my dreams, but I have another chance, I'll protect by any means.
Old man Kratos, death tornado, cursed by the god with the white hot head dog. Still knows how to unleash hell, chopped to the center of the bone. Old man Kratos, death tornado, cursed by the god with the white hot head dog. Still knows how to unleash hell, chopped to the center of the bone.
So this is my last chance, I'm hurdling fast caps, cause when I snap back, people around me are fast track to a quick death. Son is what matters, and that's that. If you try to interfere, I kill you, that's brass tacks. I find the first, warrior next, but don't think I got soft, man, that'll lead to gorier steps. Trading chains for a battle axe, put it through your cataracts. My shattered hack attacks melt you like a fighter candle wax. This journey's everything, I'll teach you how to be a man. Close your heart to the suffering and ignore the damn. Fight with all your might, death is never planned. And when it looks you in the face is when you make a stand. The son of a monster, pondering, can I prosper? Slaughtering with no honor, wandering with the father, faltering, can no longer wander anything stronger. It's what I'll make you a conquer from my wife and my daughter.
Old man Kratos, death tornado, cursed by the god with the white hot head dog. Still knows how to unleash hell, chopped to the center of the bone. Old man Kratos, death tornado, cursed by the god with the white hot head dog. Still knows how to unleash hell, chopped to the center of the bone.
We've been waiting for this moment, the final opponent, collecting the components to end humanity.
The first Avenger represent. Show your elders some respect. I fought Nazis and robots and I kept the gods in check. Hey, Thor is Mjolnir light. I got a heart of gold, I can hold it right. Became a super soldier overnight. I'm skin and bone, now all my clothes are tight. I don't need a cape or hood to see Thanos reign for good. You can break the shield or take my shield. This is Roger's neighborhood. You're Tony, me and your dad go back. We should be making up. These stars and stripes will have your back even when they're stained in blood.
So, the Mad Titan's here and he got around and running his mouth off. I'ma hit him with a right then a left cause I got the ultimate southpaw. Got the homie Steve to cover me, the blows will just bounce off. Gotta sleep for a minute but I'm back and I'm looking for someone to pound on. I ain't scared of your jewelry, you ain't fooling me cuz I got a titanium arm. You came to fight with a glove, you'll feel my might when I punch. I'll put a hole in your head, forget black and blue, I'ma beat you till that skull turns red.
time for you to say goodnight. The sun is getting real low. Shock you with the riddles, bite. Now you're moving real slow. How does it feel knowing you could never take us? Put on my steel toes, stomping purple balls, grape nuts. Romanov, double agent, highly trained assassin. That means I'll stab you in your back and you won't know what happened. Tony Thoran, captain, gonna leave you blue and blackened. Avengers, assemble. You know my crew is never lacking.
Set my sights, pull back and let it rip. Say goodnight once you've been targeted. Not long since I've been gone, but a quick thought of me out of retirement. It's got you already faster than these heroes I've been firing. Said I was out of this rumble, then though I was top of my game. But then I see looking for trouble. You know they've been calling my name. So load it up on this ride till the fun stops. Better run for cover, yeah, cause I only need one shot.
Peter Parker picked some people plotting poison on the beat. Back the painful punch and placed it parallel between his cheeks. Claimed to pop disclosure problems, now you see the pertinence. Penalize the perpetrator, press them, pound them permanent. Adolescent, but a matter of fact, it's Spider-Man up on the web, yeah, I'm that connected. They know, ain't nobody wants you here, you just popped up, kinda like a bad erection. I don't like your face, I'm about to go up on the high rise and kick you off the web, just like disconnected Wi-Fi.
I'm about to swoop in and commence to battle it. You about to get pimp slapped with the metallic wing. I'm flying at you, make your head ring. Me and Red Wing, pop a shot in your direction, let the lead swing. You cannot give me a peer, no. You cannot fly with a falcon, no. We got you shaking in fear, yeah. Yeah, you about to get outdone. Face it, you just a lame with a glove. When the missiles come down, just as range from above. Squat.
Look at his chin, get this dude some lotion. Smacked in the face with my Bugatti spaceship, you bruised and broken. Dressed in all black like the Omen. Come for the king, run for your life, now you wanna kill, I can't condone it. Now you gotta face a good opponent. What kind of villain are you? The one that's not too clever. I'll have you on your knees screaming Wakanda forever. You do not know the way, you do not get to speak. You may be cold as ice, but understand I never freeze.
Grab a straight jacket fast because this guy's insane. Energy blast to the face, I'm about to fry your brain. Climb inside your mind with my chaotic powers. Life flash will leave you blind for hours. Coward cry, then light in pain. Now tap out, telekinetically giving your arm a twist. The Sokovian conjuring known as Scarlet Witch. My red magic slash lacerate your cartilage, then lay you down to sleep, then you will truly know that God exists.
Through the smoke around us, I could see your vision clearly. We're the ones that have to be strong while the world is weak. Being on the side of life, we fight to save what we hold dearly. Shield the universe and all that war, it won't be easy. Heroes of blood in the skies, we persevere to survive. Better together we work, harder our powers combined. Guardians standing on watch, our people won't be deprived. World left us all in the dark, we will assemble the light.
Not a hero, I'm a neurosurgeon, but I had to stop, my hands really hurting. So I'm heading to camotage, it's hidden with camouflage. Shyamalan, the ancient one, is it man or man? Am I saying it wrong? Oh no, through focus, meditation, clothed in my new cloak of levitation. It's Stephen Strange with your pimp in a suit. Seasons changing an infinite loop. Just think there was you, and then there's me, trapped in this moment endlessly. Dormammu, I've come to bargain. Dormammu, I've come to bargain. Dormammu, I've come to bargain till I've done my bars and I'm departed.
We've been waiting for this moment, the final opponent, collecting the components.
Simulating the Avengers to be triumphant. Here with Thanos, me a tiny violin. Yeah, he's sad cause he knows that we can fight to win. I'm a scientist, so I'll find a plan. Shoot a beam with the was gonna smash him with the Hulk and Pack and the Captain America with Spider-Man. One Infinity Stone, see the shine on my hand. More money than the entire clan. Hit you with magazines, not from a gun with the ones with my face inside of them. You be can, I can tell you insecure like the size of an ant. Man, step back when the yacht reacts and talk to the hand when I fire in.
Okay, I heard about you torturing beings. Unfortunate seems you think that you're the Lord of the Rings. Hold up, War Machine will leave you shaken, rattled and scarred. I'm coming at you with way more guns than a National Guard. Blasting your balls with about 1,000 rounds of ammunition. My shoulder cannons chop your head in half. You making split decisions. Don't waste your breath. The Avengers, we the safest bet. If you take a step, then you will really have a date with death.
Star-Lord back in business, drop another awesome mix. Your ego like a planet, think its time is blown to bits. Bruce Willis looking prick, 100% a dick. For someone so uptight, you feel like really in the fist. Relax my team, I'll blast this feel like I stopped rolling slaughter. This galaxy is backed by me, a-hole, don't even bother. Proving no one's harder, and I know shitty fathers. So don't hate on the grill just cause that Peter and your daughter.
Galaxy, we're guarding it. Guardians tear your cartilage. You don't want any part of it. Aiming straight for the heart of the main part of me. But Thanos says his 5-finger rings out. Use my 5-finger discount cause these fire triggers inbound. And you are not a douche guy. I used my wrong eye, didn't I? Got to learn to wink right. Give me time, was bioengineered broke out a cryo commandeered the nearest vessel just to pilot it violently up your rear.
Who are we killing today? Quill, why are the people of your home planet so ugly? And when does the fighting begin? I'm bored and hungry.
Thanos gonna take a loss against walking Thesaurus. Cause come from a fabric plot. Take it down one was just stopped. They say I live for revenge,
but that's not true. Sometimes I laugh, sometimes I can be sentimental. The other day I called Mantis beautiful. I say a few words before this battle. We're all gonna die, there's no hope in hell.
Feels like I've been waiting for this moment forever. Couldn't be better, the day we send you down to the nether where you belong. I was just a kid, you made me a weapon. Now I'm back for my revenge, you best not be forgetting I'm an assassin. And this time I got a whole team. Watch your limbs, don't wanna get cut off by a talking tree.
I am Groot, I am Groot, I am Groot, I am Groot.
A dot on the wing of a bee on the back of a slightly larger bee on the bill of a duck on the back of a horse. What was the question again? Oh yeah, am I small? Well, you could say that. Small like a man who's an ant, or an ant who's a man. To be honest, I don't understand. Gonna need your raps anyway.
Devil's how you move around me. You don't wanna see Bruce turn green. If I lose my cool, you gon' feel that heat. You gon' free that beast inside. I'm not the one you really wanna try. Advise that you wanna hide when the chicken slides, rate starts to rise. If you wanna feel defeat, I'll oblige. Step up to me to beat your demise. I know. Shout, you're the source of my agitation. Better hope I go under sedation. Better hope I take up meditation. Cause I got no patience, you got no chance. Green grouch about to take out the trash. No romance, just trying to smash.
So what's a king to a lizard? Purple skin is tainted by the gems you fail to deliver. A crooked sinner couldn't stack up if you gathered a horde. Fall onto your knees, bow down to the hammer of Thor. Everybody wanna get it going, but I'm flowing through the battle like it's easy breezy. Loki would have been a better fight, but the second time coming never go, look at measly. Drop you harder than your mother did, pathetic. Smash you with the snap of my fingers, I'll come make you regret it.
Fun isn't something one considers when balancing the universe. But this does put a smile on my face. Petulant child, evident now you're ready to bow. It's arrogant how you believe you're relevant. Wow, malevolent vow to proceed to level and plow half of the universe. But first to shoot it hurts. Infinity stones, all capabilities grown. I'm all powerful and breaking every miserable bone. Every citizen, including the Avenger Initiative, can't do anything. I'm taking all your hope and I'm killing it. And that won't be the story of you. You all died. It was all pride. Gotta admit that you all tried. What did you expect? I only court death. You can get that break, cause this is your last breath.
We've been waiting for this moment, the final opponent, collecting the components. We've been waiting for this moment, the final opponent.